Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you how to fix the phone heating while charging in your Raptor 5G device. So, actually you have to remember that it's normal if you're charging your device using the fast charging method, and its default method in this device. It's based on your charger actually, because you can't dare disable it or enable it. And if you're charging it with the very high voltage charger, your device will heat, and it's normal. So just avoid using it while gaming, charging, etc. Apart from that, as I can see, this phone is quite wide and thick. So that's why your phone may be heating on, and yeah, so if you have the additional case or any protectors or anything like that, take it off while charging. Maybe not at all, but while charging you can just take these things off. Apart from that, we can go more to these like software issues. So at first go to the settings, and now scroll down to the battery over here. Tap battery usage. As I can see here, they have the list of applications that are the worst for the battery over here. And the most important thing that you have to remember is that here, if you do have any application you don't recognize, uninstall this application. If you see here the application that may cause the power consumption or something like that, you can easily disable this application or just restrict this application. For example, you have here some TikTok, Messenger, Facebook, etc. Tap this application, maybe not this one. Let's just use maybe not this one too. Here, quick 7. I have no idea what application, what does it do, but here, as I can see, we have optimized. Tap restricted over here to make sure that the battery usage in the background won't be that high. And actually, that's it about the software issues. Apart from that, you can try using original charger and cable. You can try charging your device in a cool and ventilated area, and avoid, as I said in the beginning, avoid using your device while charging, watching, for example, gaming or watching YouTube, etc. Just leave it for a moment, let it charge. You can use a different device, and it's better for your phone to be not charging while not in the process of charging while doing something in the background. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel, leave a like under our video. It's important to us to have your feedback, so if this video helped you, leave a like and subscribe. Goodbye.